Grandpa's Side Money here. This is all product that I sold between Thanksgiving and the end of the year. So this is going to be the final video for product that was sold for the end of the year. I'm going to still make, I've got 2 or 3 other haul videos that I'm going to make for the year 2017. Like what you're seeing, and I'm getting some information to you that you can enjoy and maybe make use of. Give me a thumbs up. Not in front of my face. Give me a thumbs up over here. Give me a thumbs up, like, I think it's right there or it's right there. Anyway, give me a thumbs up. Share me with your friends. Subscribe to me, and let's see if we can't keep rolling on these things. It's kind of fun to do now that I'm kind of getting the hang of it. It's been about a year challenge. I don't know, maybe 9 months challenge. It seems like forever. But anyway, these are some of the things that I sold. You're going to come across one where I don't remember. Is the last item I sold. It was a drum, a Nerf gun, and the Nerf gun was actually called a Raider CS-35. Okay, I'm going to put this on. I may come back and make another video at the end telling you bye, but maybe not. I picked this thing up about a year and a half ago. It sat on eBay for about a year and a half. Hello, Grandma. Are you photobombing me? It sold this morning. I paid $1.50. It's set on eBay listed for a year and a half, and I sold it for $20 plus shipping. Be patient, they will sell. A Canon AE1 with no lens. I sold it for parts. I don't know if it works. I'm pretty sure it will, but without being able to test it, I can't tell them that it's perfect. So if I can't tell them it's perfect, I want to tell them that it might be just good for parts. There went my finger. I'm having to use Grandma's phone for this video because my focus is out. There went my finger again. There, my focus is gone from mine. I got to get it in and see if I can get it checked out. Little item right here is a part off of a Nerf gun. And a Nerf gun, you can sell Nerf guns really well, and you can sell pieces really well. Well, this particular piece come off of a Nerf gun that I seen at a yard sale right by the curb. And there was a lady looking at that Nerf gun at the time, and I'm saying, and I was in the car when I pulled up, and my Grandma Spend Money was in there that day, and I said, "Oh, Grandma, I hope she don't buy that. I hope she don't buy that." And sure enough, she didn't buy that. So I went over and picked it up, and it was I call a Vulcan, a Nerf Vulcan 25, and it's a little machine gun, and it had parts missing. It had actually a couple of major parts missing. But the lady only wanted $1 for it, so I bought it, started taking it apart. This is one of the pieces. It's called the priming bar. It's the part that fits in there that whenever you want to put the dart in the barrel, you pull this back, and then you shoot. But every time you shoot, you got to pull it back to prime it again. But on that particular gun, you don't have to, because it's got a battery in it, a motor, and it'll shoot like a machine gun. But anyway, I took this off of that $1 item that I bought, and I put it on eBay. It's been on eBay for, I don't know, maybe 6 months. I don't know, maybe 4 months. But it's been on there a while. And guess what? It sold today for $8 plus $3 and some change shipping. So it sold for $12 and some change. I think like $12.65. What I always do with these guys, this is going to be able to ship in a small package like this. I always use a padded package. I spend a little for it, but that's all right. It's my hobby, and I like to make sure that the person gets it. And, you know, He thinks that he got a good, at least he thinks that I'm trying to take care of him. So this guy right here will ship in here. Now then what I always do, another thing I always do, is on my shipping, that's gonna go first class. And you can put up to 13 ounces. I think now you can go up to 16 ounces in the package, but it used to be 13 ounces. And so I always put 13 ounces, even if I know it's going to be less. Actually, in reality, this comes out to a little bit less than 3 ounces. So then whenever I print my label out, I change my weight from 13 ounces to 3 ounces, and now I made about $1 on the shipping. So in reality, I made about $8. This is before fees. They take out 13% for the fees, so it was off of $1 gun anyway, and so a person bought this. What this is this is a plunger. You screw this into a camera, and then you push this plunger, the bulb right here. There's 25 foot of tubing on here, and it pushes the plunger out. And let's example, if you was going to take a picture of a hummingbird on a plant, you couldn't be up by the plant because the hummingbird wouldn't be there, but you can set your camera up on a tripod, be 25 feet away, a hummingbird comes into the flower, and bam, just like that, you got a good picture. I sold these Belleville military boots, so I'm going to package them up and get them off to the customer today. Put them on yesterday, and they sold last night. I bought them for $20. I sold them for $55. The bulb for the cameras came in a lot that I bought with a camera case and all the accessories. I believe I paid $60 for the camera with all the accessories, the case and everything. I sold the bulb for $25. This is a wall scone light that fits up on the wall like that. And it belonged to my sister-in-law. They remodeled a house, and I sold some of her stuff, some knobs and stuff. I sold all the knobs. And this is, I think, the last piece that I got to sell for. We sold it for $35 plus the shipping on it. So it comes like $46 with shipping. This is take 2 of what I sold this week. I sold this little jewel right here. This is an AM FM radio made by a company called Kobe. I picked up the speakers, the radio, and a cassette deck for $3. I sold the cassette deck sometime in the past before I started filming this for $10, and I sold it for $10. Woke up to this sale this morning. It's a Canon AE1. It does not work. It's broken. I sold it for parts, and I got $40, and I shipped it for free shipping on it, and it cost me $6, so I made over $30 on it. Of course, whenever you take the eBay and PayPal money out, I made a little less than 30, but I didn't pay a whole bunch of money for it. This is a Game Boy, Nintendo Game Boy. It's one of the old original ones. This was put together back in 1989, I believe it was. I don't know how long I've had it, don't know what I paid for it, but knowing me, I didn't pay too much. But it made my turkey day. Sold for $20. Have a good one. Hope you didn't eat too much turkey like I did, but it was good. I got $10 for it. They paid $10 plus the shipping. These are called Guitar Hero guitars. Whenever you buy these things, they can be worth some money and they can be not worth some money. You got to really check into it. The only reason that I bought them is the simple fact that I bought them for like, I don't know, someplace between $5 and $8. All the total, which actually I bought more than this in that haul, but I don't remember what all was in it because I bought it this last summer. But I paid like about $8 for this stuff. There's 2 or 3 things that you need to do if you're going to mess with these things. I'm selling these untested because I'm an old fart and I don't know how to test them. But that's all right, because this sold for $55 plus shipping. Now, when you buy these things, what you always need to have with them, if you can, is some sort of the game that they play. And that's, of course, not a game, but it's how to play the guitar thing. And try to get them all complete. Like this one here has, these 2 have straps. These things here are really, really important. These are called dongles. And you can actually sell the dongles by themselves, probably a lot of times for about the same price as you'd sell one of the guitars. So, I mean, I could probably throw the guitars away and do the dongles for probably the same price, but that's not fun. One thing else I noticed whenever I was looking at these and setting it up, I always try to put fresh batteries in. So before these guys go bye-bye, I will put batteries in. I normally tell the people that I'm going to do the batteries too, but this time I didn't. So anyway, that's what's happening here today. Looks like I got some packing to do. This one here is something I've had for quite a while. I've had it, I would guess I've had it a couple of years, maybe even a little longer. And it's been listed all that time. It's a nice little light jacket. There's a company that is a construction company, and they give these to their workers. There's no spots or anything on it. It's good shape. And I sold it to somebody in California today. I got to wrap it up, put it in a package, and I got to take it to Federal Express because that's the cheapest way it can get there. Grandpa's Side Money here. Well, this looks like it's probably going to be the last video of the year. 2017 is going out like a lion. Just sold this guy yesterday. It's a clip for a Nerf gun. Well, actually, yeah, it's a clip. It holds 35 rounds, and it fits in, forget the name of the Nerf gun right off the top of my head. It didn't take any notes. I do remember that I sold that Nerf gun for around 20 bucks. And this one sold for 25 yesterday, which was Saturday. So it didn't get in the mail. So today is Sunday. Tomorrow is New Year's, and Tuesday this is being shipped out. I hope that you folks have enjoyed my videos for this season, 2017. We're getting ready to go to 2018, and I got a lot of work to do. Y'all have a good day. Grandpa Side Money signing off for the year. I'll see you in back up. I'll see you in 2018. Bye for now.